What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be not really a tutorial, because I don't feel like I'm good enough for a tutorial, but just a video on how I got this look for my birthday. So if you want to know exactly what I did, keep watching. Okay, now what I used first was a cover concealer for my eyelids to help the eyeshadow stick. The eyeshadow I used, it's like you have to be so rough to make it stay. So I watched a few videos and I saw some videos where people were putting, I don't know if they were using concealer, but I used concealer because that's what worked and that's what I could find. But it is called Click Cover Concealer Lightweight Full Coverage by Absolute New York. And as you can see, I am really trying to get everywhere around my eyes where I think I'm going to put the makeup at, or the eyeshadow at. And then I'm just, dabbing it on, making sure that it's covering every part of my eyelid and under and around my eyes. Yes, if you asking, that gum was amazing. It was 5 gum. It was great. So I know I'm in this video smacking. I'm happy y'all couldn't hear me. The makeup palette that I'm using for this look is called Lady Boss by Amore. And the first shade that I'm going to go in with is a shade of purple called Actually. As you can see, I'm doing more so of a dabbing motion instead of swiping it or wiping it across my eyelid. What I've learned is that the dabbing motion helps it stick better, and it helps your skin absorb it a little bit more instead of when you're swiping it. I guess it just sits on top of the skin. It doesn't really do anything. Now the second color I'm going to go in with from my makeup palette is it's a darker shade of purple called Statement. Now I'm going to go in with another shade. It is called Conqueror. It had glitter. It looked like glitter was in it, but as I was putting it on, I was looking at it. It didn't really seem like the glitter was applying. It was probably just falling off. But yes, it's a darker shade to go on the outer corner of my eye called Conqueror to try to create some type of smoky look. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the glitter. Now the glitter I got from a beauty supply. It's like a multi-purpose glitter. You can use it with eyeshadow, eyeliner, lip gloss, and even nail polish. It came with a glitter primer, and it was pretty much just a bunch of loose glitter. Now, I didn't know how great the glitter was gonna stick. Then I also learned a trick while I was doing this, so what I'm doing right now is it was pointless, but I went in with a silver color from the palette called Winter to put in the corners just in case the glitter started falling off. You wouldn't really be able to tell. Okay, and then to help the glitter stick to my eyelid, I use the strip lash adhesive called Duo, the color white. So I got a makeup brush and dabbed a layer of the glue onto my eyelid, and I kind of let it sit for a few minutes to get tacky, kind of like when you put on eyelashes. You let the glue sit a little bit to get tacky so that it sticks and it doesn't start sliding because it's not dry enough yet. So I put that on my eyelid first and let it stick for a second. Then I just dipped the same brush that I used to put the glitter on into the ball of glitter, and put it on my eyelash. And I did this multiple times, and I even had to go over, because like I said, I was trying to get a cut crease look. So I even had to go back into the glue and put it over the glitter that I already put on it to make sure that it looked like a cut crease, because I really, really, really wanted a cut crease look. Okay, now after I did this eye and I got it exactly how I wanted it to be, I literally just repeated the steps with the glue and glitter about 3 times to get it the way I wanted it on my other eye, which I did that off camera, and I also did my face off camera as well. But I will list in the description bar the makeup that I used so that you can go and get it. Alright, and right here what I'm doing, I am wiping off the excess powder. I used a loose finishing powder by Maybelline called Fit Me, and I love this finishing powder so very much. And then what I also did was go into my under eye and add the color Actually and the color Winter, just to give it a more dramatic look. Now, I do want to add, if you do not put this eyelash on right while you have this glitter and glue on your eyelid, if you try to pull the eyelash off, it's going to pull the glitter off with it. So, if you're going to put it on, make sure you put it on right, because I didn't put one of my eyelashes on right, and then I tried to pull it off, and I was like, no, the glitter's going to come off with it. And I just had to deal with it. I was like, it's not on there the way I want it to be, but we're just gonna leave it, because I'd rather it look like that than have to start over my entire look on one eye. Now what I'm gonna go in with for my lips is a Forever Matte liquid lipstick. I don't know who this is by. I saw it. It's the color Angel Wing. Now right now what I'm doing is just dabbing some purple eyeshadow onto my lips, because I didn't really like the color. I feel like it needed to be darker. Now I'm gonna do my hair, and I will be right back. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching my video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and always share my video on any social media platform at all. I don't care. And if you made it to the end, you already know I fools with you. I will see you all in the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.
might call my lord. Love gon' set me up. Bitch, don't set me